Hello students. So today we will read lesson Weathering the Storm in Edsama by Harsh Mende from your book Moments. Weathering. Here the meaning of weathering is to face, and Edsama, it is the name of a small town in Odisha, and the background setting in this story is in Odisha when in October 1999 a super cyclone hit the state badly. And it is a story about a boy named Prashant and his encounter with the super cyclone. Prashant goes to meet his friend who lives 18 kilometers away from his home, and a terrible cyclone floods the area, and Prashant and his friend's family have to stay at the rooftop. He manages to reach his village with great difficulty and is happy to see his family safe. The leadership qualities of Prashant helped the victims to stabilize their conditions during and after the cyclone. So starting with the lesson Weathering the Storm in Edsama. So this is the story of a young boy Prashant and other villagers who faced the storm with all out efforts with the help of their courage, grit and bravery. Okay, so the cyclone that hit Odisha in October 1999 killed thousands of people and devastated hundreds of villages. Okay, the cyclone that hit Odisha in October 1999, it killed thousands of people and destroyed hundreds of villages. And for 2 dreadful nights, for 2 frightening, terrible nights, Prashant, a young man, was marooned on the roof of a house. Marooned means left helpless or left abandoned in a remote or lonely place which is not easily approachable. मतलब वो एक छत पे फंस गए थे और आसपास सब तरफ वाटर ही वाटर था घर की छत पे. Okay, for 2 dreadful nights Prashant and a young man was marooned on the roof of a house. On the 3rd day he decided to go to his village. Did he find his family in the village? We will read in the chapter. So on 27 October 1999, so all of you students must have heard about this cyclone, or you must have seen in the news also. Okay, so 7 years after his mother's death on this day, okay, after his mother's death, after 7 years, on this day, Prashant had gone to block headquarters of Edsama. What are block headquarters? Just as a state is divided into districts, and districts are further divided into blocks. Okay, so Edsama is a block headquarter. So he had gone to this small town Edsama, a small town in coastal Odisha, some 18 kilometers from his village, to spend the day with the friend. So he had gone to that small town in coastal Odisha to spend a day with the friend. Okay, तो अपनी मदर की डेथ के 7 साल के बाद इस दिन वो एड्सामा गया था अपने फ्रेंड के साथ कुछ समय व्यतीत करने के लिए. कोस्टल ओडिशा इज ए कोस्टल स्टेट, okay, on the bank of Bay of Bengal. Okay, so in the evening a dark and menacing storm quickly gathered. Menacing means dangerous and harmful. But what happened in the evening? Suddenly a dark and dangerous storm quickly gathered. A storm hit the area. Winds beat against the houses with the speed and fury. Okay, so strong winds were beating against the houses with great speed, and fury means that is something that is wild and violent. Okay, in anger. They were looking like they were in great anger. Okay, with the speed and fury, दैट प्रशांत हैड नेवर विटनेस्ड बिफोर। तो इतनी तेज आंधी, इतनी तेज हवाएं उसने पहले कभी नहीं देखी थी। दैट प्रशांत हैड नेवर सीन बिफोर। एंड हेवी एंड incessant rain filled the darkness. Incessant means continuous. Okay. So heavy and incessant rain filled the darkness. There was darkness all around due to dark clouds, and there was heavy and non-stop rain falling, and ancient trees were falling. Ancient trees were uprooted and crashed to earth. जो पुराने ट्रीज थे वो जड़ से उखड़ गए थे। Crashed means fall on the earth with the sound, and they were falling on the earth. बड़े बड़े ट्री जड़ों से उखड़ के गिर रहे थे। Screams rent the air as the people and houses were swiftly washed away. घर, लोग वो पानी के बहाव के साथ बह रहे थे, तो सब लोग चिल्ला रहे थे। They were screaming, they were shouting. तो उनकी शाउटिंग की आवाज से पूरी हवा में उनकी आवाज, सब तरफ उनकी चीखने चिल्लाने की लोगों की आवाजें आ रही थी। Screams rent the air as people and houses were swiftly means fastly washed away. The angry water swirled into his friend's house. Swirled means to come with a great speed in circular motion. Angry water swirled into his friend's house. Neck deep, मतलब neck तक पानी आ गया था, और उनके फ्रेंड्स के हाउस में पानी बहुत तेज स्पीड से अंदर एंटर कर गया। द बिल्डिंग वॉज ऑफ ब्रिक एंड मॉर्टर। मॉर्टर इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ सीमेंट, सैंड एंड लाइम। जो पक्के घरों में ब्रिक्स को जोड़ने के लिए मटेरियल तैयार किया जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड मॉर्टर। सो बिल्डिंग वॉज ऑफ ब्रिक एंड मॉर्टर एंड वॉज स्ट्रॉन्ग एनफ टू सर्वाइव द डिवास्टेशन ऑफ द विंड्स वेलोसिटी ऑफ 350 किलोमीटर पर आवर। क्योंकि जो पक्का घर था, मॉर्टर का बना हुआ था, ब्रिक और मॉर्टर का बना हुआ था, तो इसलिए शायद ये सरवाइव कर गया, बच गया डिस्ट्रॉय होने से। व्हेन द विंड्स वेलोसिटी वाज 350 किलोमीटर पर आवर, बट द कोल्ड टेरर ऑफ द फैमिली ग्रू विद द क्रैशिंग ऑफ ट्रीज। जो फैमिली का टेरर था, पैनिक था, दहशत थी, वो और बढ़ गया जब बड़े बड़े ब्रिक्स ट्रीज जो थे वो गिर रहे थे। दैट हैड गॉट अप रूटेड एंड फॉलन ऑन देयर हाउस। और वो रूट से उखड़ के उनके घर के ऊपर गिर रहे थे बड़े बड़े ट्रीज। एंड समटाइम इन द मिडल ऑफ द नाइट डैमेजिंग इट्स रूफ एंड वॉल्स। और कई बार तो आधी आधी रात के समय भी जो बड़े बड़े वृक्ष थे, मतलब बहुत बड़ी आवाज करते हुए उनके घर पे गिर रहे थे और घर की छत को और वॉल्स को डैमेज कर रहे थे।